Welcome to my channel. Today we are touring the Luxor Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. This iconic hotel, located on the Las Vegas Strip, is famous for its striking pyramid shape and the powerful beam of light. One of the must-see attractions at the Luxor is the light show that illuminates the pyramid. The beam of light is so powerful that it can be seen from space. Another popular attraction is the Sphinx, which is located in front of the hotel. Visitors take a ride on the incline elevator, which takes them to the top of the Sphinx for a panoramic view of the Las Vegas Strip. The Luxor features a replica of King Tut's tomb, which is part of a permanent exhibit showcasing treasures from ancient Egypt. The Luxor houses a museum that showcases ancient Egyptian artifacts and other fascinating items, including a replica of Cleopatra's barge. Whether you're a history buff or simply looking for a unique and unforgettable vacation experience, the Luxor is definitely worth a visit. The Luxor offers a variety of accommodations to fit any budget. From standard rooms to luxurious suites, the rooms are spacious and well-appointed with all the amenities you would expect from a top-rated hotel. One of the hotel's most unique features is the slanting walls, which gives the room a pyramid-like feel. Today we will be taking a tour of the Tower Premier King Room. What I like about the Tower Room is this bathroom, the jetted tubs, and the separate standing shower. The Tower Premier King is 449 square feet. It takes a minimalist approach to design. The clutter-free environment features one king bed, a 50-inch flat screen, multiple charging and power outlets, and multiple purpose elements that double a wardrobe, storage, work surface space, and media center. The room was made to feel more natural, with both functional and ancient lighting, and art that consists of images of the Mojave Desert. The Luxor Hotel and Casino is an iconic destination in Las Vegas, offering visitors a unique and unforgettable experience. Whether you're looking for a luxurious stay, exciting entertainment, or just a fun night out, the Luxor has something for everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.